A grim discovery off the south coast this morning has raised fears surrounding the disappearance of a St. Elizabeth woman. A decomposed body was found in waters near the Galleon Beach Fish Sanctuary days after 30-year-old Oneida Kentish went missing from hospital. The police are now working to determine whether the two cases are connected. It was an intelligence patrol that quickly turned into a disturbing find.
I was along a patrol this morning with two wardens and myself. We got information from a fisherman that a boat had crossed the sanctuary, so we were on patrol. Went, saw the boat just leaving, spoke to the fishermen inside of it, indicated that they cannot cross the sanctuary with any fishing equipment.
But what happened next would shift the focus of the operation.
Patrolling, coming back to base, back to Jamaica, I saw something suspicious in the water. I then pointed for the captain to go over to take a closer observation. On closer observation, I realized that it was what resembled to be a decomposed body, well in decomposed state.
Manager of the Galleon Beach Fish Sanctuary, Tristan Walters, immediately alerted authorities. The body was subsequently removed from the water. However, the condition of the body has made identification difficult.
The body was in such a decomposed state that it was not able to determine the gender or whether it's a female or a male.
The discovery comes just days after 30-year-old Oneida Kentish was reported missing from the Black River Hospital on May 1. Her partner says the uncertainty has been devastating for their family.
Me pity them, miss their mother right now. God, they need their mother care.
So you are taking care of them?
Yes. Them say 4 o'clock in the morning, him get up and gone. Nobody no know where she turned. So me no know how that happened, and me no know how that could not really happen.
He says her disappearance has left him struggling to cope.
Cause when she around and she alright, she do everything. Me can't work, me can't do nothing right now. Me have to just stay home with the baby them. And right now, no worrying, cause me dey walk up and down and I look all about, looking for her, me can't see her, none at all.
Police say a post-mortem examination will be necessary to determine the identity of the body and whether it is that of the missing woman.